Hello Internet. So today is a big day for the van. We're going to try and fix it, essentially. So we're obviously back at Sam's workshop, and today Sam's going to be working on the welding in the rear, whereas I'm going to be servicing it, changing the sump, doing the top mounts, putting some new wipers on, and all kinds of other bits and bobs if we get time. Do a quick little show of what Sam's got to work on today. All that bit there. These are the vents that normally sit in there, so that's actually just that corner there. Because of the angle of it, it's going to be a right nightmare. And then this side's the same, but probably worse, so that's nice. Still very much empty at the moment, but hopefully by the end of the day we'll be able to put things back together and it'll look fairly van-esque. However, we do still have a leak. For joyful reasons, the van has decided to wee itself. I think it's this chair. This chair's decided to just pee all over the floor. So thank you, chair. The plan is that next week at some point, hopefully I can get the bus or train into this town that we're in now and go drive this thing for an MOT, which it will fail, but then we'll know what it's going to fail on. So that's the main thing. Yeah, so let's get started. Wake up. Oh! The wheel's falling off. I love that. Sick. Just compare the old one with the new one. Hopefully the audio's not too bad.
That's a lot more warm in there. That's what's a new one. Lovely.
It doesn't look too much different, really.
Yeah, until you start feeling that. It's that main bit there where it's warmer than there.
I reckon the bearing's probably worn loose, isn't it? Just take a moment to appreciate knickknacks. Probably the best crisp ever. The time has come to show you my Formula 1 bolt doing up skills. I'll put a timer on screen if I can edit that in, and we'll see how long from the first bolt this takes. Coming for you, McLaren. No hole! Yay! Still hole! Boo! A-hole!
You just dick.
Balls! So when I bought the van, the guy said to me that they last time they serviced it, they had to do it through the dipstick because the bolt on the sump was completely mashed up and they couldn't get it out. So they've been pulling all the oil out through the dipstick. However, I've got a feeling that may have been quite some time ago. So what we're going to do is take the sump off. I've got a new sump to go in it. I'm going to give this thing a full service, jack it up in the air, and see if it sounds any less like shit. Shut up! So what I'm going to have to do, because this plug won't come out, I'm now going to have to drill a hole in the sump to drain it, and then hopefully it doesn't pee all over my face.
Have you got battery for it?
Not with me. Am I going to fit a 240? Yeah, that'll be alright, we'll get a 240. Yeah!
Boy.
If not, I've got hammers. Just smash a hole in
Sunny
it.
alley. No, it's not. It's steel actually. So.
Hammer and chisel.
then
Now go as low as you can, really.
I'm trying to, but it's just steering because I want to angle. Yeah. We're professionals. No.
I'm not the one drilling.
Just. Son of a bitch! Right. This is the one. Nope.
Oh, do you want to put it on higher speed as well? Because that's set on low at the moment.
What doesn't matter? I can't get the bloody thing started. Right, let's try a different angle. Right,
Angle.
there.
Yeah, that's gonna spin like a bitch. Oh no.
Right, now we're in the awkward position of we're started, but I can't put the tray where I need to put the tray. Yeah?
Yeah, I've got it. Yay!
Doing a little weird. Look at the colour of it. Wow,
Black.
that's gonna take some time.
That really is. Do you want to drill a second hole?
Might drill a second hole. But at least the drill bit's lubed up now, so.
Well,
Ah, here we go again.
yeah, you don't necessarily want it lubed up.
I might have got lucky first time. This is so awkward!
Drilling with Adam Francis.
I am skilled. Gooey. On the bright side, we got no creaminess, so that's good.
Well, that and we usually chop for kids, but you know how to start it.
Oh, that's a glamorous view, isn't it? Now, because whoever put this sump on decided that we're going to cover several very difficult to get to bolts in mastic, that took about an hour and a half. So that's fun. On the bright side, there's nothing really concerning in here apart from this large piece of metal. Do you want to see my bottom end? There's important things in here. I'm not sure what they do, but they make the van go brum brum. So I've been advised by a car shop, which means this is probably wrong, to use this on both sides of the seal of the sump. So that's what we're going to do, and hopefully it won't leak. There's something on my face. Lunu's sump is on. Can't see from here. Sump, oil filter's on. EGR's been cleaned. Hobnob is being eaten. Just got to do that. Wow, that's rude. You just shut up for a bit. Got to do the fuel filter, which is somewhere down there. It's going to be a fun. Seriously? Right. Letter box must be removed.
See?
Damn it, screwed in.
Hammer.
It's screwed in, therefore hammer.
Solution to life's problems.
Someone's annoying, hammer. Ba-na-na-na, na-na-na-na. Don't copyright me.
I think you can use up to like 10 seconds.
No, I don't think you can use anything now.
No, like sing up to 10 seconds.
If they associate my singing with actual music.
You'll be sued.
With Lionel Richie on the phone.
Hello.
Oh, hey Lionel! How are you? Lionel Richie just turned into Terrence and Phillip. Yeah. Hello! My farts you're looking for! I can smell it in your ass! Ah! If you don't know who Terrence and Phillip are, then that joke is wasted on you. What? Why is it so... Oh! I just realised what you're supposed to do. Brand new. Why? There's so much other space in this engine bay, but nope, we're going to put it under an air filter. Coming to the end of a mega long day, so the rear bumper's about to now go back on because Sam has wonderfully welded up everything in the rear and like 7 holes in the front, which was excessive. The EGR's been cleaned out, we've got new wipers, it's been fully serviced, we've got a new sump, both top mounts have been done. I can't see anything else that's going to fail the MOT, but we fixed the horn as well, now putting a hazard switch in. Fit the starter button, because that's awesome, and it wouldn't start otherwise. So yeah, rear bumper's now going back on, and then hopefully go for an MOT. So it's now 8:30 at night. Wow. Should we try that again? It's now 8:30 at night. Oh, I think we'll do it again. And so, yeah, we sort of carried on for a little bit. So rear bumper's now on, and I'll flip the camera round. Got an interior now. Dash is obviously in, carpet's in, seats are in, trim panels are in. It's all getting there piece by piece. None of it really fits, but we'll worry about that another day. Need to get rid of that stupid steering wheel. Yes. The rear is all welded up. I think it might stand half a chance at an MOT. So that'll be the next video. So thank you again for watching, and Sam's got a little message for everybody.
Have a nice day!